to decide what kind of interest rate you're going to pick, whether to keep it floating or fix it. Well, if you want to sell your house or going to refinance in the near future, keep it floating. Otherwise, you should consider fixed it. Now, what kind of rate you should choose? For example, at the moment, the bank's interest rate will be 1 year 4.45, 2 year 4.49, 3 year 4.69, 4 year 4.85, 5 years 4.95. Now you're pondering which one is better. Now I'll show you a formula to help you. For example, if you want to choose between 2 year or 4 year, then how do you figure it out? You do it this way. If you fixed for 2 years today, and on the 2 years mark, you rolled over your mortgage for another 2 years, that means you pay 4.49 for 2 years, and after 2 years you don't know what kind of rate it will be, but you're paying for 2 years. You find a break-even point if you fix it today at this rate, 4.85 for 4 years. Now that number equals to 4.85 times 2 minus 4.49, which is 9.7 minus 4.49, which means 5.21. Okay, if after 2 years, the 2 years interest rate at 5.21, you break even. If it's more than that, and you fixed for 4.85, you are a winner. If it's less than that, unfortunately, you are a loser. Now the question is, whether the interest rate would be increased from 4.49 to 5.21 in 2 years. Unlikely, for 2 reasons. Firstly, the Reserve Bank has indicated that in the next 2 years, they are not going to increase OCR. Secondly, even if it has to be increased, then how many times they need to increase OCR? Let's find it out. Now the difference between 5.21 and 4.49 is 0.72. Now when Reserve Bank increases OCR, it tends to increase by 0.25% each time, which means they need to increase about 3 times for the interest rate to change from 4.49 to 5.21, which is unlikely. So in this case, this is better rate. Sorry, this is the better rate than that one. Happy investing.